Hi there, this is Max. This is a short video about Dana Peak Park in Harker Heights. The park is located at 3800 Comanche Road. It's a great outdoors recreational area. It has hiking, camping, horseback riding. I've seen people there with dogs. I've seen people there with ATVs. I've seen people there fishing. There's plenty of activities in this little park. The park is located on the shores of Stillhouse Lake. This long road that you see here that seems to be crossing the water. When the lake is not full, you can actually walk all the way to that other mountain in the background. That's your camping area, currently underwater too. Lately it's been raining a lot, so as you can see, the levels in the lake are pretty high and all the areas are underwater. That doesn't happen very often, so this is kind of unique shot of the camping grounds. From the main road you can take these little trails that you can see and get all the way to the top of the mountain. They are very bike friendly, but obviously if you want to get to the top you need to hike. There is pretty good fishing in this area, and the lake is known for having really clear water. You probably cannot see that on this video due to the flooding. And also this area right here, you can usually walk all the way to it. As far as water activities, there's boat docks, boat ramps on both sides of the lake, and there's a marina. They do not have boat rental available, but you can fish from the marina dock. If you want to come and camp in this park, you gotta book your reservation through the federal parks and recreational website, since this area is managed by the Army Corps of Engineers, and usually the booking is out 2 or 3 months. As far as wildlife, you will find deer, lizards, birds, wildflowers, and bluebonnets if you come in the spring. And that is pretty much it. That concludes my little tour of the Dana Peak Park. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I do have other videos regarding parks and areas in Central Texas, and wherever I get a chance to travel, I'll be recording more drone footage for you to enjoy. Thank you.